I'd now like to invite Ms. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, Chairman and Managing Director of Biocon Limited and current Chairperson of IIM Bangalore, on stage to say a few words.
Thank you, Saif, for those very exciting and, inviting words to get this summit off to a great start. I would like to echo his welcome by saying welcome to IMBU 2016. And as he very rightly said, this is a very unique alumnus-sponsored summit. And I really believe that this brings together thought leaders, policymakers, business leaders, students, and everyone that wants to matter in society. And just to sort of slightly deviate from your interpretation of the theme of this summit, which is really about starting, scaling, and disrupting, which I think is extremely appropriate for the city we live in, Bangalore, which is certainly the undisputed startup capital of our country. But even yesterday, I think we heard one of the top tech leaders in the world, referring to Bangalore as amongst the top 3 global innovation hubs in the world. He called it the 3 Bs, the Bay Area, Bangalore, and Beijing. And I really believe that this is a city that has this startup frenzy, entrepreneurial energy. Everything that is so evident from the moment you land at Bangalore Airport, from the way you innovatively navigate through the traffic corridors of our city. And in keeping with that, I thought that what we have done at this summit is really about disrupting traffic by having it at the airport. And this was one way of making sure that none of the outstation speakers could use this as an excuse not to come. It's also about scaling, and I think you can see that we've doubled the size of what we did last year. And maybe, Saif, the next year you might think about Chinnappa Cricket Stadium, Chinnaswamy Cricket Stadium. So I really believe that this is a very, very exciting event. It's an opportunity for all of us to engage and really deliberate about how to make this country a very new country, a very modern country. And it's about really how do we use technology to really drive innovation and drive the future of our country and our economy. I, for one, definitely believe that this is an event that will only grow in stature as in the coming years. And I do hope that this event will be a must-attend event in the years to come. I just want to thank all the speakers. I want to thank Shekhar Gupta for agreeing to come and moderate the whole event. I'd like to thank everyone for their participation. And on behalf of the Board of Governors, I'd just like to say that we are indeed very proud of the strides that IIM Bangalore is making on the world stage in business education. And I also want to thank our alumni for making us so proud. And of course, I look forward to the students for continuing with this tradition. And without the alumni, I think we cannot build a great brand. So I salute all of you, and I hope that we really have many, many more occasions to celebrate success and make a big impact on the global landscape. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Kiran.